What is up? Today I'm gonna be playing Elementary and training my voice. Let's get straight into it. Yeah, no. My controller, by the way.
The doggy's there too.
Alright, bro. If I win this, y'all have to like and subscribe. Oh, Milbase bet. If I win this, y'all have to like and subscribe and follow me. Cause I only have 2 followers. That's crazy. Oh my god. Oh, she thought, bro. Bet she crashed out, bro. Oh God, bro. I'm gonna crash out. But like Curry especially, she keeps on texting me. Dweller Colonel definitely. She keeps on texting me. Dweller Colonel definitely. Oh. Oh, hold up. Alright, bro. Chat, how do I go? Thing.
Is this your game?
Yeah. I don't need it.
Play that game.
What? Oh. Where? Alright, okay, my game's at. You know you can stab me, bro. That was crazy. You could not have stabbed me. You're so dumb. Oh shit, that thing went right through my booty, bro. Two free players live. I'm not gonna lie, I'm better at controlling. Ow. How the heck did he get me? Come on. I'll go by the tree now. I'm gonna try to hit trick shots. Can I hit a bomb trick shot? If I hit this, y'all have to like and subscribe, bro. After, I'm gonna try on the wall. See if it's easy. What the frick? Piggy's on Thanksgiving. Don't like her yet, but alright. If I make this. Oh my god! Look at that! Oh my god, that was crazy! Can I hear one go with chasing? Can the NPCs climb? What the heck is it that NPCs? Oh, yo, that's crazy. That's crazy, bro. I might be the next MMP pro. Chat, I just might be. Where's the murderer? Oh. Bro, right here. Oh my god, I was gonna say if I make that. This gonna be hard. What? Yo, call me Buns. Oh my god. Huh? Oh my god, I'm taking clips. Stop it. Alright, bro. I need to focus. Chase, please collab. Since when did they climb? Bro, since when did they climb? Like, bro. She keeps on texting me. Do I like her? Yeah, definitely. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so lucky I'm recording this, bro. Oh my god. Holy moly, chat. Oh my god, I might be the next MM2 pro, I swear to god. for real. What the frick is wrong with my left arm?
Angélica no va a querer atender.
America no Luigi. Bro, come on. Oh my god. Pero sin padre. Guys, I think I might be hitting way too much trick shots. I might be actually better than I'm kidding. WS10 and Chase, please collab. How? Oh my god. No, not gonna lie. Alright, let's try mobile now. Bro, I am not used to mobile. Oh my god. Oh. How? Tell me. How? My buns or something on mobile? How, bro? Yo, I think I might be buns on mobile. What? Huh? No, I don't need Robux. I don't need Robux. Let me try to hit a trick shot. Hold up. Oh my god. Though I'm buns on mobile. I think it's because I'm not gonna lie, why does it hurt my fingers, bro? How? Oh. I forgot to tell y'all, Cam added me. Oh my god. Buns. Wait. How? No. How did I do that? 1 second away from dying. That's crazy. Bro, you better go. It's like swimmers, bro. Fear, WS10. Alright, murder, Dean, and Ning. Let's get into it. Okay. Alright, Cam. Guys, I might trick out Cam. Dang, Cam, kill me. Alright, Cam, I might trick shot you. I'm gonna hide. See, actually notices where I am, bro.
Angélica, mira, ya no te voy a pegar más nunca.
Oh.
Ni a contestarte, aunque me haga de veras. Mejor anda a corretear por ahí con que mejor te plazca. Aquí no tienes nada que venir a buscar.
Good juice.
Te van a traer dos perros bravos para dejártelos cuando estés haciendo pistoleando.
Bro, there's no way I clipped Cam. Cam, you are the best in that 2-player.
Lárgate de una vez. No fastidies más. No oyes lo que te dice. ¿Qué esperas para irte de aquí? Mal, Angélica. Esta es mi casa. Y si antes te dejé entrar, no voy a cometer la misma sorpresa por segunda vez. ¡Lárgate! ¿Lo oíste? Castigar, Angélica.
Now let's go in a real server, like 50 players. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh! Ain't no way I juked it that hard. I jumped over her. I did not expect her to almost kill me, bro. Oh! Right on the toe, bro. This is hurting my ears. My ears are burning, bro. Ow, bro. What the heck? Yo, how did he go through there? Oh my god, how did I do that? Get over here. Oh, nah. Oh, I'm not letting that slide. Yeah. I'm a legend, Thanos. I'm a legend, Thanos. Hey, Bob. I'm going back to the trip. Oh, my ears. Oh. Research facility, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, that scared the frick out of me, bro.
Being an artist is art philosopher, art someone that manipulates material. I work specifically in metals. I've needed to move sculptures like Pessimista. But that's the thing about allows me to move the weight of my message.
No, stop. I don't want to juke your ankle. No. If I had the bomb, that would be great. That would be crazy if I had the bomb. No, stop. How did you kill me from China? Get your ankle snatched. You're Bugs Bunny. You're Bugs Bunny. Oh. Is she a kangaroo or something? That's a headshot. Imagine it was like Actually, I'm about to get my paper. Oh! Oh, imagine I hit that. How? Oh, oh. That's crazy. Oh. No, I just thought. No, cause my teacher said. No, our teacher said if we miss a day, they count us as absent. Bro. Time. Juke mode on. What? Oh, wait, does that count as a trick shot though? I mean, that was like 3 seconds off the bat though. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. If y'all see Chase, please tell him I want to collab with him, bro. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Oh shoot, what the frick?